Very good morning, children. Sairam. So, welcome back to our online class. Okay. So, in today's session, we are going to learn word problems. Okay. In fractions, we are going to learn word problems. Okay. So, exercise 7.5. First question. Mohit has 6 marbles, out of which 2 are red. What fraction of marbles are red? So I'll read once again. Okay. Mohit has 6 marbles, out of which 2 are red. What fraction of marbles are red? So Mohit has totally 6 marbles. Okay. Out of 6, 2 marbles are red color marbles. Okay. So we are going to find out the fraction of red marbles. Okay. Red marbles. So how to write the fraction? So number of parts selected by total number of equal parts, isn't it? This is the format. So how to write the fraction? Number of parts selected by total number of equal parts, isn't it? So here total number of marbles is 6 and number of marbles that are in red color is 2. Okay, see the solution. Total number of marbles is 6 and number of red marbles is 2. So what is the format? Number of parts selected by total number of equal parts. Okay, so here number of parts selected means number of red marbles. Here number of parts selected is red marbles, isn't it? So number of red marbles is 2. So the numerator is 2 by denominator is total number of equal parts. So in this problem, total number of marbles. Total number of marbles is 6. So the denominator is 6. And we have to simplify, isn't it? We have to reduce this term to lowest term. So after simplifying, 2 ones are 2 and 3 twos are 6. So the fraction is 1 by 3. 2 by 6 or 1 by 3. Okay. See the solution. Total number of marbles, which is equal to 6. Number of red marbles is equal to 2. Fraction of red marbles, which is equal to 2. That is number of red marbles divided by total number of marbles. So 2 by 6. After simplification we get 1 by 3. So the fraction of red marbles is 2 by 6 or 1 by 3. Is it clear? Yes. So second problem. A bowl contains 16 berries, out of which 1/4 are strawberries. How many strawberries are there in the bowl? I'll read again, okay? A bowl contains 16 berries. So it can be of any blueberry, blackberry, red berries, strawberries, okay? So it's a mixed fruit, okay? Mixed kind of berries, 16 berries. Out of which 1/4 are strawberries. So out of 16 berries, 1/4 are strawberries. So here they have given the fraction of number of strawberries. Isn't it? Fraction of strawberries. What is the fraction? 1/4. Okay, 1/4 are strawberries. How many strawberries are there in the bowl? So in this problem, they have given the fraction and they have asked the number. But previous problem they have given the number, 2 red marbles, and they have asked the fraction of red marbles, isn't it? But in the second problem they have given the fraction of strawberries. What is the fraction they have given? 1/4. What is the fraction they have given? 1/4. And they have asked the number of how many strawberries. So they have asked the number of strawberries. Okay. So understand the difference. Okay, children. So a bowl contains 16 strawberries, out of which 1/4 are strawberries. Okay. So in the previous class we have learned how to find out the fraction of a collection, isn't it? Fraction of a collection, how to find? So we have to divide the whole number by the denominator of the fraction, isn't it? So here the whole number is 16. So totally 16 berries are there in the bowl. So total number is 16. And they have given the fraction 1/4. So 1/4 of 16. So what we have to do? We have to divide the 16 by the denominator of a fraction. So what we have to write? 1/4 into 16. So we have to divide. Okay. So 4 4s are 16. 4 1s are 4. So which is equal to 4 into 1. 4 1s are 4. So the number of strawberries in the bowl is 4. So there are 4 strawberries in the bowl. Have you all understood, children? So they have given 1/4 are strawberries. 1/4 of 16 are strawberries, isn't it? So 1/4 of 16. So which can be written as 1/4 into 16. And we have to divide 16 by 4. So 4 4s are 16. So instead of dividing, we can cancel out here itself. How? 4 1s are 4 and 4 4s are 16. So the answer is 4. Same answer we got. Isn't it? 4 4. So there are 4 strawberries in the bowl. So see the solution. Number of berries in bowl, which is equal to 16. Fraction of strawberries is 1/4. They have given, isn't it? 1/4 are strawberries. So fraction of strawberries is 1/4. And number of strawberries in the bowl, which is equal to 1/4 into 16. So after dividing, we got 4 is the answer. So 4 1s are 4 and 4 4s are 16. So 4 into 1 is 4. So number of strawberries in bowl is 4. Is it clear? Yes. So we'll move on to the next one. Third question. 1/3 of the 15 cars in a parking area have bumper stickers. How many cars in the parking have bumper stickers? So in this problem also, they have given the fraction of the cars that have bumper stickers, and they have asked the number of cars. Isn't it? Like previous problem, in this problem also they have given the fraction and they have asked the number. Okay. So 1/3 of 15 cars. So totally there are 15 cars. 1/3 of 15 cars have bumper stickers. Okay, 1/3 of 15 cars have bumper stickers, and we are going to find out the number of cars that have bumper stickers. Okay, so like previous problem, they have given 1/3 of 15 cars. So 1/3 can be written as 1 by 3. 1/3 of 15 cars. So what we have to do? So 1/3 into 15, and we can cancel out. So 3 ones are 3 and 3 fives are 15. So the answer is 5. So the number of cars that have bumper stickers in parking area is 5. So there are 5 cars in the parking have bumper stickers. Have you understood, children? Yes. So see the solution. Number of cars in parking area is 15. Fraction of cars having bumper stickers is 1 by 3. Number of cars having bumper stickers, which is equal to 1 by 3 into 15. So after cancelling out, 3 ones are 3 and 3 fives are 15. So the answer is 5. So number of cars having bumper stickers, which is equal to 5. Is it clear, children? So they have given 1/3 of 15 cars. So totally there are 15 cars. So 1/3 of 15 cars having bumper stickers. So fraction, they have given the fraction of cars that have bumper sticker is 1 by 3. So we are going to find out the number of cars. Okay, for that we have to do 1 by 3 into 15. 1 by 3 of 15 means 1 by 3 into 15. So we have to divide this 15 by 3. So instead of dividing, we can cancel by multiplication table. Okay, third table. So 3 ones are 3 and 3 fives are 15. So there are 5 cars in the parking are having bumper stickers. Is it clear? Yes. The next one, fourth problem. Honey bought a chocolate having 12 pieces. Okay, so total number of chocolate pieces is 12. Okay. Next sentence. She gave 1/4 of the chocolate to her friend. It's not if, it's of. Okay. She gave 1/4 of the chocolate to her friend. How many pieces of chocolate did Honey give to her friend? So in this problem also they have given the fraction of chocolate she gave to her friend, and we are going to find out the number of chocolates. Okay, so the total number is 12. Total is 12, and the fraction, what fraction they have given? 1/4. So it is equal to 1 by 4. The fraction is 1 by 4. So she gave 1 by 4 of 12 pieces to her friend, isn't it? So we are going to find out the value of this fraction, 1 by 4 of 12. For that, what we have to do? We have to divide this 12 by 4. So we can write 1 by 4 into 12. So if we cancel, 4 ones are 4 and 4 threes are 12. So 3 chocolates Honey gave to her friend. Okay, so Honey gave 3 chocolates to her friend. Okay, see the solution. Number of pieces of chocolate is equal to 12. fraction of the chocolate honey gave to her friend, which is equal to 1 by 4. Number of pieces of chocolate honey gave to her friend, which is equal to, so 1/4 of 12 chocolates. So we can write 1 by 4 into 12. If we divide also, we get same answer. So divide 12 by 4. So 3, 4, 4 3s are 12. So honey gave 3 chocolates to her friend. Okay. Is it clear, children? Yes. So fifth problem. Manvi has 11 pairs of hair clips. Manvi has 11 pairs of hair clips. So total number is 11 pairs. Okay. She gives 5 pairs to her sister. Okay. What fraction of clips does Manvi give to her sister? So in this problem, they have given the number and they have asked the fraction. Isn't it? See look at the question carefully. So Manvi has 11 pairs of hair clips. So total number is 11 pairs. Okay. Total number is 11 pairs. She gives 5 pairs to her sister. 5 pairs. So they have given number of pairs of clips. And they have asked fraction. Fraction of clips she gives to her sister. Okay. So for that what we have to do? Fraction is, what is the format to write the fraction? So number of parts selected by total number of equal parts, isn't it? If they asked fraction, then you have to remember the format. Okay. What is the format? Number of parts selected by total number of equal parts, isn't it? So here number of parts selected means number of pairs she gives to her sister. So how many pairs she gives to her sister? 5 pairs, isn't it? So the numerator is 5 by denominator is total number of equal parts. So here total number of pairs of clips. So what is the total number? 11, isn't it? So the denominator is 11. So the fraction is 5 by 11. It is very simple. Okay. You have to use this format only. Okay. So look at the solution. Number of pairs of hair clips with Manvi is 11. Number of pairs of hair clips Manvi gave to her sister is 5. So fraction of clips given to Manvi's sister, which is equal to 5 by 11. That is the number of clips she gave to her sister. That is the numerator. And denominator is total number of hair clips. Total number of pairs of hair clips. Okay. So the fraction is 5 by 11. Okay. Is it clear? Yes. The last question. Sixth one. 5 monkeys were sitting on a tree. One of them had a long tail. What fraction of monkeys had a long tail? So in this problem, they have given the number and they have asked the fraction. Fraction of monkeys had a long tail. Okay, then you have to use the format only. It is very, very simple. Okay, what is the format? So number of parts selected. Number of parts selected divided by total number of equal parts. Okay, this is the format. Number of parts selected means in this problem, number of monkeys that have a long tail. How many monkeys have long tail? Only one. One of them had a long tail. So the numerator is 1 divided by total number of equal parts. In this problem, total number of monkeys. Okay, total number of monkeys. What is the total number? So 5 monkeys were sitting on a tree. So total number is 5. So the denominator is 5. So the fraction is 1 by 5. So the fraction of monkeys that have a long tail is 1 by 5. Okay. So look at the solution. Number of monkeys sitting on a tree, which is equal to 5. Number of monkeys with a long tail, which is equal to 1. Fraction of monkeys with a long tail, which is equal to 1 by 5. So the numerator is number of monkeys that have long tail and the denominator is total number of monkeys. So the fraction is 1 by 5. Is it clear, children? Only thing is you have to understand the question. Okay. So read the question again and again. Okay. So that you can understand what is given and what has to be find out. Okay. So read the question again and again and understand the concept. Okay, what is given and what is to be found out. Okay, children, in some questions they have given the fraction and they have asked the number. But in some questions they have given the numbers and they have asked the fractions. So you have to read the question carefully. Okay, you have to understand the question carefully so that you can answer. Okay, if they ask the fraction, then you have to use the format only. Okay, but if they ask the number, then you have to find the value of the fraction. Okay, is it clear, children? So you have to read the question carefully, okay, so that you can answer the question correctly. Okay, children. So with that, we have completed this chapter. Okay, chapter number 7, fractions, we have completed. So now it's your part. Okay, so you have to try all the problems in your textbook. Okay, just make a try. Okay, and check with the answers. Okay, children. So you have to read carefully. Okay, then only you can answer the questions. Okay, children. So study well. I'll meet you in the next class. Thank you.